Thank you for joining us again at Mercedes-Benz of Princeton. What we're going to do today is show you how to set the trunk height on an SUV. An SUV in specific is the GLC 300 Coupe. And behind the camera, as always, is Robert Lisi. And in front of the camera doing all the magic is Theo Dolce. So we're going to get started by pressing in on the Mercedes-Benz logo, and the trunk is going to open up. Once it's at its full height, we're going to press and hold down on the stop close button and then press it again to set the height. So this is the height that we want. We're going to press in and hold. It's going to chime one time and it's been set to the new desired height. Now let's say we don't need to have the tailgate at a certain position because we're too short to grab it, or let's say we're not worried about nailing the garage with the tailgate. We're going to reset it to the extended height. So you're going to press and hold on that stop and open button, and it's going to chime twice. Once it's set, it'll be able to be fully extended. And that's how you set your tailgate on your SUV. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget
to like, share, and subscribe.
That's correct. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.